Welcome arm wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Today's topic is arm wrestling predictions. Whether they are driven by emotions or patriotism, or are they driven by logic and sense, and which one it should be and how it affects people. And for this topic, to elaborate it, we are going to discuss two further topics. Number one, Michael Todd's prediction video about the East versus West event on February 12th in Istanbul, Turkey. And number two, Arm Wrestling Uncensored's prediction video about Devon Larratt versus Levan Saginashvili. So the ideal scenario about any prediction should be, or ideal process to make a prediction should be, to analyze both athletes, their fighting style, their win-loss record, their weaknesses, their strengths and their opponent's weaknesses, how they can utilize them. But who wants to do that much of work when you can just let emotions drive your predictions completely without even caring about this? So let's start with Monster Michael Todd. And before that, what problem do I have with it? I do not have any problem with it. So I'm not making this video to hate on Michael Todd or anyone else or Ryan Bowen. No, this is not the purpose of this video. Let me make this thing very clear. The purpose of this video is to let people know that how much these guys are influencing people, even if you have a disclaimer which none of them had, that these are just our opinions, not opinions, our patriotic feelings, or this is what they want to see to happen and not necessarily what is going to happen. Even if they made that disclaimer, still a lot of people would take their words and start fighting with others, or start arguing with others, and start making predictions or start betting their own money based on that. That actually happens in today's world of arm wrestling. So we have to be careful, and we need to separate or distinguish between our feelings, our emotions and our predictions. I don't think we have a right to call it a prediction video when nothing in there is a prediction, all just patriotism. So Michael Todd predicted Ron Bath to win against Zorab. Makes sense. Zorab is 85 kg world champion, right now 90 kg maybe, and Ron Bath 112 kg legend former, although he's going to be 60 years old in just a month from now, but still makes sense. Michael Todd predicted himself to win against Gennady Kukvenia. Makes sense, lot of people think that is going to happen, including me. Michael Todd predicted John Brzezinski to beat Zoloev. Still makes sense. Majority believes that. But when it starts getting problematic is when Michael Todd predicts Jonathan Breda to beat Zorab. I don't think anybody believes that that is going to happen. When Michael Todd predicts Ron Bath to beat F.A. Comac left-handed, especially after seeing F.A. Comac's left hand level against Herman Stevens less than a year ago. I think this is a mismatch too. But Michael Todd predicted those guys to win. Why? Because they are his countrymen. At this point, he doesn't even care. Like, okay, half of the guys from the East, I don't even know about them. And these guys, they are my countrymen. So I'm going to predict them to win. I don't know them, but these guys are going to win because they are from my country. And I'll call it a prediction video. I don't think it should be like that. This is definitely just patriotism and emotions. Nothing related to predictions. Because a prediction has to be on logic, na? It cannot be just based on feelings. And the proof that these predictions, or whatever we should call it, from Michael Todd are based on patriotism is that he predicted only one guy to lose from the West to a guy from the East, Schoolboy, and this side Evan Burgoyne from Canada. Surprisingly, that one guy happens to be from Canada, the only guy. All the US guys are going to win, but one Canadian is going to lose. I'm sure if Evan Burgoyne, brother, if you are from USA as well, Michael Todd would have definitely predicted you to win as well. Quite sure about that. So moving from this topic to Ryan Bowen. Ryan believed that, or maybe it was a patriotic feeling, emotional feeling for him, that Lachlan Adair is going to win. And he projected it to everyone as his logical decision, and logical decision was not that. Logic said that everything was in Todd Hutchings' favor. But he went with emotions. And a lot of people betted on Lachlan Adair listening to that. So now talking about North Americans, every one of them predicting Devon Larratt to beat Levan Saginashvili. Is that going to be the case? Very unlikely. Everyone knows that. Philip David uploaded a prediction video about this match, and almost everyone except a guy from UK and second guy an Indonesian, Malaysian, I think. These two guys predicted Levant to win, and every other North American predicted Devon Larratt to win. So, do you think these are based on logic or just emotions and patriotism? Nothing wrong with patriotism, everyone should have it, but at least mention it. Nobody mentioned it, and some of them were trying to give logics as well. Why Devon is going to beat Levant Saginashvili? My question to you guys, have you ever heard Devon himself say that he's going to beat Levant Saginashvili? I've never heard that. He's telling him to get bigger, but never actually said that he's going to win 6-0, 5-1, 4-2 or 4-3. None of those four possible outcomes. He never said that. He never said these things against Hafthor too, because he knew that he cannot win. And I genuinely believe that people are scared to say that Devon Larratt is going to lose. I don't think 99%, I think 99% of the arm wrestling community does not have what it takes to say that Devon Larratt is going to lose a match. They just cannot, for obvious reasons, and this should not be the case. It is the same as the bias from Bob Brown. Just because he's a Kings mover, he believes that Kings movers like Michael Todd and Devon Larratt are for sure going to beat Levant Saginashvili. He wants that to happen to satisfy himself. You can see that he's commenting that everywhere. So these are my thoughts about this kind of sensitive topic. I think everyone should have the ability to separate his emotions from his life decisions. And I'm also talking about betting decisions. Like, don't be so easily covered with patriotism while making your predictions and decisions. And if you are, please mention that in the video. Hopefully I didn't offend anyone. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep, and I thank you so much for watching.